people and welcome to Shifting Gears. We hope you subscribe to our channel and love the content that we bring to you. So the wait is over and we have with us right now what is the real deal. This is the Apache RR 310 and we've been spending some time with it at the Madras Motor Racetrack to share with you if this has been worth the wait. The Apache RR 310 started its journey as the Akula concept showcased at the 2016 Auto Expo. Now in less than 2 years, the bike has quickly moved from concept to production ready guys and is now asking for an ex-showroom price tag of Rs 2.05 lakh. Some might say that this is a slightly premium product pricing, but then this is a premium motorcycle. Really, you have to touch and feel to agree with us that this is a very premium product. Slotting in below the KTM RC 390 has been a nice move, and this is by far the most advanced Apache ever built by TVS Motors. Let's get to the styling first. So the Apache RR 310 does not look way different compared to the Akula concept, and we appreciate it. Sharp and edgy styling makes its presence felt, and the Apache RR 310 actually feels from a segment above in terms of size. It is nice and bulky in its appearance, which adds to the big bike feel, unlike the KTM RC 390, which is too narrow for some people's taste. Proportions of the Apache RR 310 will please short as well as tall riders. You get segment first bi-LED projector headlamps, full fairing for the first time on a TVS product which has mastered heat management, a large and useful front windscreen, raised pillion section with split seats, chunky alloy wheels, exhaust with silver accents, LED tail lamps which resemble the shark fins, a meaty prancing horse logo which denotes TVS and not Ferrari or Mustang. This new branding is probably TVS's way of adding a premium touch, and you have TVS Racing slapped on the engine case and on the pillion seat. Now, this bike is currently available in a red plus black or all black paint options with contrast decals, and it is more than just pleasing to the eye in either color. Seriously, the fit and finish on the bike by Indian manufacturing standards is very good. Also, another decal on the tail section is celebrating 35 years of TVS racing. Just to add a nice touch, you also have the tricolor pasted on the front windscreen. The design of the new Apache RR 310 is very sharp as we said, and has more to do with how much time it has spent in the wind tunnel during its evolution phase. With best in class coefficient of drag, this bike is expected to be not only fast on the racetrack but very useful in day-to-day riding as well, thanks to the patented deflector cowl, ram air vents below the headlamps, gill vents and other thermal management channeling. The instrument console is a unique vertically stacked unit sharing data such as tachometer, speed, coolant temperature, fuel gauge, gear position indicator, gear shift indicator, trip meters, service reminder, 0 to 60 timer, top speed recorder and a lap timer which can be worked with the help of the fast switch. Now the speedo console looks a tad bit odd to many but has more to do with nobody being used to such a design before. With time, we are sure that this would look just as normal. Viewing angles and readability has no issues at all even under top sun. We wish that TVS replaces the rubber RR 310 badge on the fuel tank with a brushed metallic finish, and that would look much more premium. The trellis chassis is painted in red and has a race brake decal slapped on it, hinting that you must occasionally have some fun with this motorcycle. Rear subframe though is painted in black. The inverted front forks are seen painted in gold while the rear monoshock is painted in white. So quite a few colors to break the monotony. With a seat height of 810 mm, the Apache RR 310 is quite an accessible motorcycle. While the rider seat is nice and accommodating, the pillion seat is way too small and you won't really find too many people wanting to sit along on this bike. But that should be a good thing, I suppose. The ergonomics are great and things fall in hand just as expected. Switchgear and plastic quality all around is acceptable, and TVS is known for their no-nonsense yet durable fit and finish. The clip-on handlebars in silver are great to look at and add to the big bike feel. Riding position is relaxed and there is ample room for riders to move around. The bike is not as tight as the KTM RC 390 and we really love this. The Apache RR 310 is very versatile and should keep the enthusiasts as well as the posers very happy. Now, we all know that the Apache RR 310 is a product coming in after the collaboration of TVS and BMW Motorrad. TVS has been open in accepting this at the launch that both bikes, the BMW G 310R and the Apache RR 310, are sharing platforms. So, powering this bike is a 312.2cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled with oil cooler, SI 4-stroke, 4-valve, fuel-injected reverse-inclined motor mounted on a split trellis chassis. This engine produces 34 PS of power at 9,700 rpm and 27 Nm of torque at 7,700 rpm matched to a 6-speed gearbox. There is no slipper clutch, but the negative backtrack gears ensures that you don't encounter false neutrals doing accurate shifts. TVS claims that the Apache RR 310 has a top speed of 160 km/h and can sprint to 60 km/h in 2.93 seconds and 100 km per hour is seen on the speedo in 7.17 seconds. Now, considering that this bike has a curb weight of 169.5 kg, these figures are pretty impressive. Fuel efficiency numbers have not been shared, but we are expecting something in the range of 30 to 35 km to a litre in ideal situations. However, for long touring, the 11-litre fuel tank is going to ask you to make frequent stops at the gas stations. This is a large single-cylinder engine and it sounds just as standard. So those with high expectations from a super sporty looking motorcycles, stay calm. The exhaust note though is quite prominent and you can hear it nicely when you are working off the motor. Engine refinement and NVH are decent by segment standards. There still were a few vibrations, especially in the higher mid-range, but we are sure this will be resolved in due course of time, and these bikes were pre-production test bikes. We could do well over 140 km per hour on the main straight and the bike did not feel strained at all. Also, the oil cooling helps in keeping the engine rev happy coupled with liquid cooling technology. While TVS and BMW Motorrad are sharing mechanicals, the Apache RR 310 has a different sprocket setup, a new ECU, some more tweaks to the engine to suit its track-derived nature. Also, the Apache RR 310 has a noticeably higher top whack than the BMW G 310R thanks to the advanced aerodynamics. We spent all time with this motorcycle on a racetrack, so you'll have to wait for our verdict on this motorcycle on how suitable it is for the Indian streets, or you can just go out and test ride one. Here at MMRT, we are nothing short of being impressed. With a KYB inverted front fork, a rare monoshock, dual channel ABS on offer, we think that the Apache RR 310 has struck the right chord. This bike feels like a well-balanced product for your daily grind as well as your occasional weekend ride. Suspension setup is really good and although a bit soft, you'll start liking it considering the condition of our roads. The Michelin tires also provide decent grip, but they don't give you just as much confidence as the Metzeler's. The reverse inclined engine also helps in mass centralization. The trellis chassis along with the long aluminium die-cast swing arm works well in keeping the bike balanced on high speeds as well as in corners. So, do we love the Apache RR 310? We most definitely do. This feels like an all-rounder in the segment ever since the Honda CBR 250R was discontinued. RR here stands for race replica, but the Apache RR 310 should feel at home just as much on city roads as it does on this track over here. Easy riding position, refined engine, well-balanced chassis, and the ability to cruise around triple-digit speeds is going to work in the favor of the Apache RR 310. So, when you go out and buy it, do let us know in the comment section below about what you think of this Apache RR 310. Till next time, ride safe.